Hi guys, welcome aboard of Crypto Cruiser. It's me, Chris, and today we're going to talk about Algorand. We're going to talk some fundamentals, some market research. Of course, it's going to talk also about chart analysis, Algorand compared to the Bitcoin, Algorand compared to the USDT, and much more. So let's get started. Let's just start how I think this bull cycle will play out and the potential price target, as I've mentioned before. Is it possible for Algorand to reach a market cap valuation of around 100 billion, which it will make out one Algorand up to $10? Is that possible? Dealing with theory of probabilities, I think that's possible. And also knowing the previous experience of some of the altcoins and some of the meme coins in 2021, such as Dogecoin, and also chains such as Cardano, ADA, BNB, Solana, they went above 100 billion. So, in theory, it's possible for Algorand as well to reach $10. Is it highly likely? I don't know. We have to see, and we want to see it to believe it, right? So let's just start with the fundamentals and what Algorand is. Decentralized blockchain-based network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient. What makes Algorand really attractive is the low-cost transactions, the high-speed transactions. It's a very easy to use, very easy to program, easy to build different applications such as DeFi, meme coins, um, Web3, gaming, and many more categories in the crypto assets. Algorand is attractive because support computations that require reliable performance guarantees to create new forms of trust. But let's see what makes Algorand unique. Algorand was invented to speed up transactions and improve efficiency in response to the slow transaction times of Bitcoin and other blockchains. Algorand is designed so that there are lower transaction fees as well as no mining, like Bitcoin's energy intensive process. It is based on a permissionless, pure proof of stake blockchain protocol. So it's not only very has a very high speed transactions, really cheap compared to Ethereum and other big blockchains, but they're very secure on top of it too. So um, let's talk about how the network is secured. It's secured proof of stake, and unlike proof of work blockchains where the root block must be validated by randomly selected validators using computing power. But let's talk to the content of this video and exactly how I think Algorand will lead to $10 and what's the road where we can potentially go in order for Algorand to reach a market cap valuation of 100 billion. So the all-time high is around 14 billion. So that's around 8x from all-time high, even 8x. So we've seen a lot more upside return of investments than 8x of previous all-time high. So I think it's possible. Right now we're around a billion market cap valuation, and I think we'll start going up. Especially if we look at this chart, we can clearly see that Bitcoin will is moving on the right trajectory, is going up, and I think in the immediate short term, uh, maybe next week or the week after that, we're gonna start hitting prices of above 70,000. Of course, again, I have to say it's not a financial advice. My advice is not a financial advice. It's not an advice. It's for pure entertainment purposes. But in the short term, I'm bullish. I'm bullish because we've been in this bullish chart pattern for a while now, and I think we'll break out on the upside next week, and we will take this local high of 65, and then we can actually start touching the price target of 70,000, and I think that will break algo with it. So basically, this is how I see I can see Algorand road to $10 can play out. So we've been consolidating in this chart pattern for a while. So we had two touches here in February of 23 and here in March of 24 of around 30 cents, 32 cents. And then we had two touches on the downside of around 6 7 cents. I think we'll sooner than later we're gonna start touching these price targets of 30 cents and above if we break out of it, and this resistance, previous resistance, turn into support. We can actually quite quickly snap to all-time highs. Uh, I mean, not all-time highs, but to 260 something. From here, we can go quickly to 285 $3. I mean, of course, not straight away, but we just have to look at here how in March of 2020 it was around 1 cent, right? And then it didn't took too much time to go like 100 almost $2. I think something like that can happen, $2, and then of course we'll consolidate in these prices of around 250 $2 for quite a bit, maybe few months, and then maybe we'll draw like a chart, reverse head and shoulders. We'll form a reverse head and shoulders that is bullish, and then we can potentially go in price discovery, and we can snap to $6 and above. If you go to $6, that will mean that Algo is around 60 billion market cap valuation, and as I've mentioned before, the previous um, bull season of altcoins, the altcoins were around the biggest market cap valuations of some of them altcoins were around 100 billion. So I think potentially it was Dogecoin, ADA, BNB, so on. They all over 100 billion. So I think in this bull market, some of the altcoins can actually go 200 billion or even 300. I'm not saying Algorand can do that, but maybe Solana or maybe some other coins, and there's gonna be more market cap valuations of some altcoins that go above 100 billion. And I think it's a possibility for Algo to actually do something like that. We can clearly see it's an explosive coin, and if we break out of this trend line, as I said, uh, I don't see there's gonna be a lot of resistance, and we can quickly snap to all-time highs of around $253. Consolidate and then price discovery, and that can actually take us between $6 and $10 next year, quarter 3, quarter 4 of next year. I think that can potentially happen. And of course, on the BTC chart, this is the move I anticipate. If we measure this move from here, and we pretty much drop the line from here, that's around 25x compared to the BTC channel, compared to the BTC, and 25x compared to the BTC is like, because Bitcoin right now is around 60,000, and if it only doubles, and I think we'll go even further than that, if it only doubles, it means in USD, in dollar terms, this is 50x. So 50x we'll put in 12 cents now, we'll put the price of around $6, and this is the measurement I got. But I think we can actually snap to above, we can actually snap to $10 in, when we have the price discovery and the speculation really hits, and we have um, like crazy altcoin returns, some of 10,000 x, some of them meme coins will be absolutely ballistic. I can clearly see, especially if Algo catches some kind of momentum, and there's a lot of applications built on it, and some of meme coins built on Algo, they go ballistic. I mean, Algo can potentially go, as I said, 100 billion. Of course, it's not the financial advice. I'm just saying how it can potentially play out, judging on previous experience and the theory of probabilities that can potentially happen. But this is only if Bitcoin doubles from 60 to 120. But if it goes 150, 860 can be actually two and a half. So this is not 50, it won't be 50x, but it will be 75x, and that will be around $7. I mean, of course, these are crazy speculations. We have to see exactly how it's gonna play out. I think overall, Algo is quite underrated now, undervalued. It has been in a downturn for a very long time. Um, Previous all-time market capitalization was, as I said, around 14 billion, and now we're around one. So there's a lot more upside. Even if it goes to the previous all-time highs, that's another 14x. But if we go here, I think we can potentially snap to 30, 40. So it's a very undervalued, a lot of potential. I think the fan base is also amazing. There's a lot of support from Algo fans that brings more optimism to the chain as well. But yeah, I think Bitcoin chart looks bullish. I think in the weeks to come, or the next half a year, will be in a bull trend. So usually once the altcoin season hits, uh, some altcoins outperform Bitcoin, and I think dealing with theory probabilities, Algo has a chance to actually outperform Bitcoin in the not in the long run, but in these the next 5 6 months, once the real um, altcoin season starts and hits, and then it'll be uh, and then the real returns and the crazy speculations once kick in, then it'll be highly rewarding, for some people to do their diligence and make their own decision, and I don't know, and just take it from there. Okay, guys, once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for the lovely comments in the comment section. I really appreciate all the support. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do it. It's for absolutely free. And also, if you want to get my crypto guidebook for absolutely free, you can learn a lot more about hidden gems, in the meme coin section, in the DeFi, decentralized exchanges and lending protocols, um, augmented reality tokens, artificial intelligence tokens. Um, there's a lot more Web3 gaming as well, and more categories. Of course, some chart analysis as well. I mean, market research. I think you can actually learn quite a bit from that book. Okay. Once again, thank you for the support. Thank you for watching, and we see each other tomorrow. Goodbye.